Procreate tips part 3. Today I'm gonna show you how I use the symmetrical tool. It's just the best for many purposes like drawing flowers, mandalas or other things. So you can go to Canvas, drawing guide, symmetry, and then you can use everything, but now I use the radial tool. It's good for flowers and mandalas, and this is just way smoother and symmetrical. Yes, it's already done. You can fit it to the canvas size, and in the next video I'll show you how you can save the flower as a brush so you can use it anytime. So thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. If you want to see more tips and tricks, make sure to follow and write in the comments if you have any other tips to make this process better. Thank you.